Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the cable on your Dyson HD07 vacuum cleaner. First, you will need some essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD07. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the vacuum is completely disconnected from any power source. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that hold the casing in place. Keep these screws in a safe location as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the casing. Be careful not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. With the casing removed, you will see the internal wiring of the vacuum. Now, locate the old cable. Pay attention to how it is connected to the motor and the switch. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable close to the connections. Remember to keep the ends of the wires intact for proper reconnection later. When you have removed the old cable, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Use a soft brush and a cloth to wipe down the areas around the motor and the fan. This cleaning step is crucial for maintaining your vacuum's efficiency. Next, take your new cable and prepare it for installation. Strip the ends of the wires to expose the copper. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our skilled technicians can assist you with the replacement, ensuring everything is done correctly. Once your new cable is ready, connect it to the motor and switch, following the same configuration as the old cable. Make sure the connections are secure and insulated to prevent any electrical issues. If you prefer, you can use our service for pickup and delivery at your home, which eliminates the hassle of travel and allows you to receive a quote before repair. After the new cable is connected, carefully replace the casing. Align it properly and press down gently until it snaps back into place. Reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened but not over-torqued, which could strip the screws. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD07 and test the new cable. If everything works correctly, congratulations on successfully replacing the cable. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional assistance, remember that we offer services with no calls, no travel involved. You can simply reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring a hassle-free experience for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.